Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to be continuing with some board exam questions. I'm going to be solving a past paper question on polynomials. So if we have this, p of x is 6x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 2. X minus 2 is a factor, and we also have another condition. P of 1 equals minus 2 p of 0. So p of 1 is minus 2 p of 0. We have to find the value of a and b. So if x minus 2 is a factor, we know that x equals 2. Now let's substitute 2 in this. P of 2. 6x cubed, 2 cubed is 8, so that's 48, plus 4a plus, sorry, 1 second, 48 plus 4a plus 2b plus 2. Now this should be equal to 0 because x equals 2 is a factor. Now 4a plus 2b equals minus 50. So this is our first equation. This is equation 1. Now let's use this condition. Let's first find P of 1. P of 1 is 6 plus A plus B plus 2. And P of 0 is 2. Because these get cancelled out as anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So now we know P of 1 and P of 2. And P of 1 is minus 2 into P of 0. So 8 plus A plus B equals minus 2 into 2. Okay, so A plus B, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12. So A plus B is minus 12. So this is equation 2. And 4A plus 2B is minus 50. Now, if we solve this quadratic equation, we get B is minus 12 minus A. So B is minus 12 minus A. If we substitute in this, we get 4A minus 24 minus 2A equals minus 50 equals minus 50. So 2A is minus 26. So A will be minus 13. And now we know that B, okay. So now we know that B is minus 12 minus A minus of minus 13. So B is minus 12 minus of minus 13. That is equal to minus 12 plus 13, which is 1. So we found the value of A and B, which was part 1. So A is minus 13 and B is 1. So this was part 1. And if we do this, we would already get 5 marks. Now let's move on to the next part. So if we substitute the values of A and B, we know that the equation is now 6x cubed minus 13x squared plus x plus 2. Because B is 1, it's just x. Now we have to find the remainder when it is divided by 2x minus 1. So we do 2x minus 1 equals 0. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Now we do P of 1 by 2, which is 6 divided by 8 minus 13 divided by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. So now if we do this, we get minus 10 by 4 minus 10 by 4 plus 5 by 2, which is minus 10 plus 10 is 0. So the answer is 0. So now we know that the remainder when P of x is divided by 2x minus 1, the remainder is equal to 0. Hence, this is also a factor. Now let's move on to the next part. We know that P of x is 6x cubed minus 13x squared plus x plus 2. Now they're asking us to express it as a product of a quadratic factor, as a quadratic polynomial and a linear polynomial. So we know that x minus 2 is a factor. So x is equal to 2. So we can just use synthetic division. So to keep the 2 outside, write the coefficients 6, minus 13, 1, and 2. Move the 6 down here. 6 into 2 is 12. Minus 13 plus 12 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. And the answer is 0. Hence, this is correct. So 6x squared minus x minus 1 into x minus 2 is the answer. So this is the cubic polynomial as a product of a quadratic polynomial and a linear polynomial. So this is the question done. Now if we move on to the next question. The next question is expand 2 minus x to the power of 5, simplifying each coefficient. So this is a binomial theorem question. So we do 5c0, 5c0 is 1, so I'm just not going to write that. So 2 to the power of 5 minus 5c1 into 2 to the power of 4 into x plus 5c2 into 2 cube into x square minus 5c3. So I'm alternating the negative and positive signs because when you do x square, the negative gets cancelled, right? So it's just positive. So you just keep alternating it. Next, you do 5c3 into 2 square into x cube plus 5c2 into 2 into x to the power of 4 minus 5c1 into 2 into, okay, sorry, this 2 is just not supposed to be there. To 2, sorry, 1 second. This will just be x to the power of 5. Yeah. Okay. Now, if we continue with this, we get 2 to the power of 5 minus 5 into 2 to the power of 4x. 5 into 2 to the power of 4x. Sorry, this is supposed to be 5c4. Give me 1 second. And this is also 5c4 and 5c5. Yeah, okay. So now you do 2 to the power of 5 minus 5 into 2 to the power of 4 into x plus 10 into 2 to the power of 3 into x square minus 10 into 2 to the power of 2 into x cube plus 5 into 2 into x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 5. So now if we simplify this, 2 to the power of 5 is 32 minus 80x, because 16 into 5 is 80, minus 80x plus 80x square minus 40x cube plus 10x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 5. So once we get this, now we have to check if all the coefficients are simplified. To write this more neater, we can just write it in the order of the coefficients from descending to ascending. So minus x to the power of 5 plus 10x to the power of 4 minus 40x cube plus 80x square minus 80x plus 32. So this is simplified and it's the full expansion of 2 minus x to the power of 5. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. In today's video, I discussed 2 past paper questions from board exams. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.